It does make you think though, that the amount of, no wonder these bonnets cost 14 grand or 12 grand. Oh look! Oh God! Wait, Bonnie has been...
Not one of the initial 5 as well.
Yeah, not one of the original 5, no. But there's actually one piece out of the original 5 in there. But Bonnie's Bonnie's starting to... Now obviously the bonnet is shot. We all know the bonnet's shot. And we know it's shot. But we did have a successful test fit of the windscreen yesterday. And we have one bit of repair still to do on the near side A post, which I'm going to do. But for the minute, I just thought I need something to cheer myself up, which was get the bonnet on. So we've got a bonnet on, and I think you'll all agree the bonnet is terrible. I mean, the bonnet is hideous. What that hole there for, I don't know. I mean,
Outside bonnet latch.
it's an outside latch series too, yeah. But we've got this bit we've got to make up here with this, and we know the measurements, and then we've already done the screen. We've started on the wiring, we've been pushing and pulling, we're still looking at the old roof situation, but as it stands at the moment, I'd just like to point out to you that it looks like a car. Do you think it looks like a car? Does it look like a car? And then because I've got a front bumper and it's got a chrome mouth on the front, like, 'cause it's a very late series too, and he's talked me out of the mini headlights.
Yeah.
They talked me out of the mini headlights.
They're horrible.
I want to just balance one in place. Can I balance one in place?
Next door.
Yeah, it's next door. Grab one, and bring those red things as well. If you these the red bucket things.
Red bucket.
You know, the headlight scoops. Not the grey ones. They're rotten. But yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, look, considering it was hanging, we all know that. And considering it's still got quite a bit of hanging involving, I think she's coming all right. I mean, yeah, there's holes. There's holes. Of course, there's holes. I mean, it hit an iceberg, didn't it? What do you expect? But I tell you what, I think this looks really nice. And I know all the people are going to say, oh, yeah, it's really, yeah. Well, guess what? Sorry, guys, but your opinion is, although it's valuable to you, to me, it's like water off the back of a